Hey everyone, welcome to the Veilor channel. Today I'll show how to disable specific keys on Windows 10, 11 keyboards. First, open the search and type Store. We need the Microsoft Store. Search for Power Toys. Now install it. Installing. Then type Power Toys and open the app. It's down here. Let's open it. We need the Keyboard Manager. Enable Keyboard Manager and select Remap a key. Now press the key you want to change. Press the key on the keyboard you want to disable. For example, let's disable the pause key. Press OK. We could remap it, but we just want to disable it. You could switch it to a number or letter, but we'll disable it. Click Disable, then OK, then Continue. Now the pause button doesn't work. You can do this with any key. That's all for now. This has been Velour. Goodbye, everyone.